just fine. I don't care. But now, that's actually kind of funny.
Yeah.
There's the punch hole. Right there. Right there. Try to remove the old one. Comes right out. Nice. Alright, so now we got it all nice and smooth. We're gonna throw some slime on her. And then this is an umbrella patch. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it through. And then get my handy dandy pliers. And we're gonna pull her through. Alright, so what I did is I went ahead, I got a pizza slicer. It's like the best tool that I like because I can put some pressure on it. And I just go in here and push it down. So there's a really cool process of putting this on. You always have a weighted dot, and it goes where the valve stem goes. All right, so when you push it on, it should go on fairly simple.
Sick.
Weighted mark on the valve stem. Perfect. Then we test our work. There should be no air bubbles. And I don't see any air bubbles. So Perfect.